Good evening friends, I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Acement. Today we'll be discussing about how Nifty and Banknifty have performed today, that is 7th of April, Thursday, first weekly expiry of this month, and how Nifty and Banknifty can perform tomorrow, that is 8th of April, Friday. Before we go to Nifty and Banknifty, let's look at the global indices. If we talk about the US indices, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq all are trading in red. Dow Jones is down by 0.47%, S&P 500 0.27%, and Nasdaq 0.11%. If we talk about the European indices, DAX, FTSE and CSE, DAX and CSE are positive as of now, and FTSE is down by 0.28%. If we talk about the Asian indices traded in deep red today. All the indices were down by close to 1%. Shanghai was down by 1.42%. SCZD component was down by 1.65%, and China A50 0.84%, DJ Shanghai 1.49%, and Hang Seng 1.23%. Let's look at the FI DI data. FIs were net sellers, they have sold for 509 crores, and DIs were net buyers, they have bought for 1774 crores. But the FIs selling is almost 3 times of DIs. So of course a red candle has been made on Nifty 1-day chart. If we go to the 15-minute chart of Nifty, we can see it was a very volatile day. The market went up first and then came down from the point it was taking support close to 17,700, and today it was more like expected, because it is expiry, and we of course expect expiries to be volatile rather than trending, because both the positions are gets adjusted for the next week on the call side and the put side. For tomorrow, the crucial level for tomorrow would be, if you open slightly gap up, then the 17,700 would be the first resistance, second would be 17,800 to 820, and the third would be 17,920 to 940. Talking about the support side, first support would be 17,590 to 600, second would be 17,550, and the third and the ultimate would be 17,400 to 420. If we slide it down below this, then the levels will lower levels will get open up on a to go to the option chain and validate the level. As of now the data is not much, but what we can see on a broader range is 18,000 will definitely act as a good support for this weekly series. Here the put writers have closed their positions. On the support side, 17,500 and followed by 17,000. So these are the strike prices which can act as a support. So as of now the data is not much, so can't tell much on the option chain. Let's rely on the technicals, but since these levels are on psychological figures in the quantity of 100, so that's why we take the analysis of option chain even on Thursdays. Bank Nifty was pretty strong as compared to Nifty. Look at the high, it crossed the yesterday high. At that point of time it was looking like Bank Nifty can also pull Nifty upwards when Nifty was not so strong, but eventually what happened was, as Nifty started going and losing momentum, so that's how the Bank Nifty also lost the momentum and went down. So for Bank Nifty we have closed at 37,557, close to 37,550. So the first support for Bank Nifty would be 37,380 to 37,400, second would be 37,200 to 37,250, and the third would be 37,000, which is a psychological level, the last support. Talking about the resistance side, the first resistance Bank Nifty will get is 37,600 to 650 I would rather say. Then second resistance would be 37,800 to 850, followed by 38,000, which will act as a third resistance for Bank Nifty. Let's look at the option chain to validate the levels. On a broader range, 38,000 is the strike price where call writers are active, followed by 38,500. If we talk about the put writers are active at 37,000 strike price, followed by 36,500. So these are the strike price on a broader range for the call writers and put writers to play safe. That's all for this video friends. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.